The lazy stickman who changed everything. Meet Bob. His favorite workout? Infinite thumb reps. His thumbs are jacked. The rest? Not so much. Then wham, something hits harder than a gym dumbbell. No battery, no excuse. Maybe the moment won't arrive on its own. So, he tries one tiny thing. Not a marathon, just one step. Tiny step logged. Momentum unlocked. He walks outside. Not far, just farther than yesterday. Progress looks tiny up close and huge from tomorrow. One lazy step at a time becomes a habit. Bob still scrolls, he's human. But he also moves now. Motivation doesn't visit, it's built, brick by lazy brick. If Bob can do it, what's stopping you?
Reading comprehension. My little snowman. I made a little snowman with my sister. We rolled 3 balls of snow. He snow. His nose was a big orange carrot. His eyes were 2 big lumps of coal. We covered his head with a red cap.
Okay.
The color of his scarf was also red.
Okay.
But when the sun shines, the snowman melts away.
Oh my God. Answer the following questions. Who was making
snowman?
Who was? I.
I made a little snowman with my sister.
Good. This one, number 2.
How many balls were used to make a snowman?
How many balls?
3. 3.
Good job. The third one.
Who melts the snowman? The sun.
Good. Which things? Number 4.
What was
Which
the
thing
color
I used to
of
make
scarf?
a snowman? No. Which things? Number 4.
Number 4.
Which things?
Which things are used to make a snowman? With a hat, a red cap. We covered a red cap.
What was the color of scarf?
Red.
Read this statement and tick across accordingly. Number 1. It's not reading.
A snowman. A living thing.
No or yes?
Yes.
No.
No.
His scarf was blue. Yes or no?
No.
The scarf is red.
The scarf is red.
His eyes were made of a button.
No, the coal.
Me and my sister were making snowmen.
With nose.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
His nose was made of a carrot.
Orange.
Carrot. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good.